The reason I chose Nottingham is because it's a great uni, and I think to sum up my experience, I would just say that everyone is so supportive with your learning. Everyone is majorly enthusiastic, like all of the lecturers, and I think that's made my experience what it is.
I also really like how practical the course is, that I really enjoyed the way that I'm taught here, and I also really like the sport and the facilities that come with that.
David Ross, the injury clinic, that's really helpful. You can go there, you can help the sports teams that play here, you can speak to the physios that work there.
They should come here because of the diversity we have within the school, and also the resources available, the skills available, the quality of the staff and the clinical experience of the staff, and the variety of skill sets that the staff can offer as well.
It's practical, get on with the lecturers, and it's just very engaging.
The medical school has got everything you need. It's got its own library, it's got cafes, a lot of rooms you can work in, rooms where you can practice your practical skills, and then probably just the people you meet as well. The lecturers are all really nice, all the students. Yeah, it's like a big family.
It's a really, really high level sports uni, and there's a lot of elite athletes everywhere, and it's good as a physio and as a sports player to experience that.
It's not what you think it is. It's very, very broad and vast, and I just love it. It's amazing.
I really think Nottingham, I was a student here, has this real unique family feel. It makes you feel really included on the course. So I think also you're part of a family when you come and do this course.
One of the most rewarding things that I've ever experienced.